Shout out to the Raker series. If you want a chance to be featured in the next video I make, subscribe and of course, ask for a shout out or say whatever you want. So, if you want to fix your MacBook speakers, there's two ways. One of them is a software fix and one of them is a hardware fix. Which one should you choose? Well, the software fix is easier and takes way less time, but it might not work for everyone and you'll get unbalanced sound. It's more of a band-aid fix and less of a permanent fix, and it won't work if both of your speakers are crackling. The hardware fix is definitely more complicated as you'll have to open up your computer, but you'll get rid of the issue for a long time and you'll get balanced sound. The software fix is simple and takes about 30 seconds. Go into System Preferences, Sound, and then Output. You can then change the balance slider here. If your right speaker is crackling, move the slider to the left, and vice versa. What this does is it makes it so that more sound comes out of the working speaker and less sound comes out of the crackling speaker, reducing the total crackling. You are sacrificing sound balance, and some people who have tried this fix report the other speaker crackling as well after a while, and that personally happened to me as well, which is why I moved on to Method 2. Method 2 is definitely more complex since you'll need to take apart the computer, but it's a solid hardware solution, you'll get balanced sound, and the only actual downsides are slightly worse sound quality compared to when the speakers were new, and also lower volume in general, but it's better than crackling sound. This one is an actual long-term solution. Basically, the crackling sound is caused by a torn speaker in the computer. You'll need to identify if one or both of the speakers are crackling, and then take the computer apart and repair the torn speaker. In my case, both speakers were crackling, so I took both of them out. I first removed the lid, and then unplugged the battery. After doing so, it was just a matter of disconnecting the speakers, unscrewing them, removing them, and putting my replacement sealant of choice, Elmer's glue. After putting the white stuff onto the speakers, I let them dry for a bit and then put them back in the computer, screwing and plugging stuff back in. Then, no more crackle. If you actually decide to attempt this repair, I have a far more detailed video on the full repair process on my channel that I'll link in the description as well as a pinned comment. That video will guide you through the full process of removing the speakers and also includes links to guides and videos that I followed to remove and replace the speakers. That's pretty much it for this video. If you appreciated the short and concise nature of this video, then please consider subscribing. Scripting, filming, and editing these videos takes a lot of time and effort. I've got an ultimate goal of reaching 700 subscribers by the end of this summer, and I'm less than 200 subscribers away from that, so your sub will really count. It'll take you 5 seconds and it'll make my day a lot better, so why not? When I reach 690 subscribers, I'll say 6,969 times because I'm really mature. Alright, thank you for watching until the end, and good luck on your repair.